Lindsay Parslow, your Norwex independent sales consultant. Today we are spring cleaning in my kids' bathroom. So I'll talk about a few of our products that help you eliminate the harmful chemicals in your home, which is Norwex's mission. And then I'll do some demos. So we're going to talk about the Enviro cloth, the window polishing cloth, the bathroom scrub mitt, one of my favorite products, and then our blue diamond bathroom cleaner, and the toilet scrub brush. So let's first start with the Enviro cloth. You can use this on windows, glass, mirrors, stainless steel appliances, basically any hard surface, as well as your carpets, upholstery, anything, really. So this is a damp Enviro cloth. You will see here that I put some butter on the mirror in the shape of a Z. That's for my son Zane. So I'm just going to use my Enviro cloth to get that butter right off. So using this Enviro cloth followed by the window cloth to give it a nice dry streak-free shine will help you eliminate Windex or that window cleaner, as well as tons of paper towels. So I'm going to go behind it and dry with this is the window polishing cloth. Okay. Now normally you can just use the window cloth with a little spritz of water, but because I had the butter on it, that's why I did the Enviro cloth first. So if you're deep cleaning, like a lot of us do with spring cleaning, you'll want to use a damp Enviro cloth first, and then the window polishing cloth dry. Next, I can use that same cloth to clean my vanity. So if you kind of get a dirty spot, you'll want to run it under warm water in between uses. And if you've seen our chicken demo, you know that the stuff does not transfer out of the Enviro cloth, so it's completely safe to use again, even though I just used it on the butter. You can use it on the vanity, like I'm doing now. And you can see it's kind of wet, and that's why I'm going to come behind it with the window polishing cloth. Get that area right there. Okay, get that down there really well, and then we're going to dry it. Okay, so when I'm done with my mirror and my vanity, then I'm basically going to use that same Enviro cloth on my toilet. You can use an Enviro cloth on the toilets, or you can use the bathroom scrub mitt. I prefer just the regular Enviro cloth. I just feel like I have a little bit more control of it that way. And you can see I have a little boy who likes to leave urine spots on the toilet. So I will just breeze right over that with my Enviro cloth. We'll get here. And unfortunately, we do have some stains on this toilet seat. That's okay. We'll get all in there. This is also a stain. I don't even know what that is. And I noticed that also we've got some drippage down here, so I will just run my Enviro cloth over the base of the toilet because you know we get some urine splashed here and there. And next we are going to clean the inside of the toilet. Ready, baby? Okay, so I've got the blue diamond. This is a gel cleaner. Usually you would dilute it and spray it if you had like a really hard job to tackle. I'm going to take our Norwex rubber brush, kind of get it wet first, and then just put a few drops on there, and then go to work kind of cleaning under the rim. You can see this has got like a hook to it, so you can clean really well underneath your toilet rim. You can see it doesn't set up like your normal chemical cleaners do. It's still working. Okay, and we'll just let that sit for a few minutes before I flush it. There you go. I'll put this aside. Goes that way. Okay, now we're going to show my favorite product, the bathroom scrub mat. So what I like about this is you don't have to use it with any chemicals in your bathtub or in your shower. But I like it because, especially for my kids' bath, because this is also our guest bathroom. So when we have guests coming in here and showering, and I just want to give my kids a quick bath, I want to make sure that the tub is clean. So I will clean it and then just fill it up with water, and I know that there's no harmful chemicals in there that their skin will absorb. So the bathroom scrub mat has a scrubby side and a soft side. So I've already wet this. So basically what you would do is go over all of the surfaces with the scrubby side. And I'm usually in here scrubbing this bathtub like once a week. So nothing really gets majorly built up on here. So I'm able to just do this, kind of scrub everything really quickly. And then flip it over to the smooth side to kind of just wipe everything away. And basically it is that easy to clean a tub without using chemicals. So thanks for watching. Happy spring cleaning. Bye-bye.